I'm going to be doing the color intensity chart. So the first one is red and green, and when you mix these colors together, you decrease the saturation of the color, which then reduces the intensity of it. So for instance, let's start with the red. Red by itself is a nice, bright, brilliant color. So when you're painting and you need to knock back the intensity of a color, you use the complementary color. I'm going to change the round to a flat because I have a lot of straight edges. On this side is going to be pure green. When would you need to mute a color? This is an example I think of. Not all apples consistently this bright color, right? There are some darker colors. Maybe you want to create a little bit of a shadow on it. And so in order to do that, you want to de-intensify your red. You are then going to add a little bit of green to it. So now I'm going to add even more. This is going to be even darker. By the time I get to the center here, I should be about 50% green, 50% red. Again, craftsmanship's important. I'm going to increase it again. I'm going to mix up some more green now. And I'm going to make a pure green. So here we have the red and green. Next one's blue and orange. So I'm going to start over here first with my orange. Do a little blue. See how much nicer just by changing your brush. It really makes it a lot easier. And it's also more easy when you rotate your paper. I'm doing yellow next, so I went and got some new water. So my color intensity chart is done. I have some water spots on it right now. Once those dry, it should look cleaner and nicer. So the next, we have one sheet left.